everyone, welcome to Crazy Engineering YouTube channel. In our today's video session, we are going to see about addressing modes of 8051. In 8051 microcontroller, there are various types of addressing modes are present. First of all, what does mean by addressing modes? Which means a CPU can access data in various ways using these addressing modes, which is called to be an addressing modes. These are the types of addressing mode present in 8051 microcontroller. The method of pointing a data by using an instruction are known to be an addressing mode. The types of addressing modes are immediate addressing mode, register addressing mode, direct addressing mode, register indirect addressing mode, and indexed addressing mode. The first addressing mode is immediate addressing mode. In the immediate addressing mode, the data is provided in the instruction itself. So let us consider the below example. In the first example, you can see move a comma 0 AFH, which means the AF of the value, it is a data which needs to store in the A register, where 0 AF is a source and A is the destination. From the source, it needs to move to their destinations. Here, A, R3 are the register that is present in the 8051 microcontroller. Here, the pawn symbol is present before the data, which is used to represent the immediate data. In the immediate addressing modes, the symbol is used to point out the data. Where DPTR is a data pointer, it is a 16-bit register which is used to point the external data memory locations. Here in the example, you can see move DPTR 4521H. It can be split into a two 8-bit register, move DPL and DPH. DPL is data pointer low and data pointer high. In the data pointer low, the data of 21H is loaded. In the data pointer H, 45H value is loaded. You can also use the port address to move the data. In the last below example, you can see move P1 comma 55H. The data 55H is moved to the port P1. We can also use the other different ports to move the data from the source address to the destination address. The next addressing mode is register addressing mode. In the register addressing mode, both the source and the destinations will be the register. The source also register and the destination will also be the register. In the register addressing mode, here you can see the example move a comma R5, which means the R5 value is loaded to the A register. Here in the below example, A is moved to the R0. It is called to be register addressing mode. Next one is direct addressing mode. In the direct addressing mode, the source and the destination address is specified by using an 8-bit data in the instructions. Here in the below example, you can see move 80H comma R6, move R2 comma 45H, move R0 comma 05H. The data stored in the R6 register is moved to the 80H, whereas 80H is the address of port 0. You can also use the several other ports. Here the 45H value is moved to the register R2. The 05 value is moved to the register R0. It is called to be direct addressing mode, directly giving our address. So it is called to be a direct addressing mode. Next one is register indirect addressing mode. In the register indirect addressing mode, the at symbol is used, which means the pointing out to the register. Here the at symbol is used. Here only the R0 and the R1 register are used when we are using an 8-bit addresses. For an 16-bit addresses, the DPTR, which means the data pointer is used. Here you can see the example move a comma at R0. The value or the data stored in the R0 is moved to the A register. You can also use move a comma at R1. Now the R1 address is moved to the A register. Next one is indirect addressing mode. In the indirect addressing mode, the source memory can only be accessed from program memory only. Here in the below example, you can see move CA. Here C indicates the code byte, whereas A is the register. So now let us consider the first example, move CA at A plus PC. First one is A, which hold the consider let us it hold the 30H value, and PC stored in value of 1125H. Now the 115H memory location, the content of this memory location is moved to the register A register. Here the A plus DPTR, this memory location is moved to the address register A register. It is called in indexed addressing mode. These are the types of addressing mode present in the 8051 microcontroller. Try to answer these two questions in the command window. The first one is move A, 6AH. Identify whether it is an immediate addressing mode or some other addressing mode. If it is an immediate addressing mode, you can identify whether it is given question is a true or false. The next one is move A, R4. It is an indexed addressed mode of 8051. Identify which type of addressing mode it belongs to. In our next video, I will explain about the different instruction sets. There are many instruction sets present in the 8051 microcontroller. In our upcoming videos, I will discuss about the instruction sets of the 8051 microcontroller. If you have any queries or doubts related to the 8051 microcontroller, contact to this mail ID. Thank you for watching.